Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by configuring inputs and establishing timing. Make sure your right stick sensitivity is responsive but not twitchy. Pick a fighter whose head movement and strike defense ratings support evasive play. In practice mode, record the opponent's pacing and test short, half-second sway taps to feel animation windows. Once done, commit to small, rhythmic inputs instead of holding full deflection. This reduces recovery frames and sets you up for the first actionable evasive responses in live play. You now move into execution. Use quick light flicks of the right stick to produce subtle sways that shift hitboxes without long recovery. Once you bait a strike, counter immediately with a fast jab or step and clinch, because quick punishments convert movement into damage. Make sure to monitor your stamina. Avoid chaining full rolls as they sap energy and leave you vulnerable. If you need space, step back diagonally while preparing your next micro sway. This keeps momentum in your favor and limits predictable patterns. You finish by integrating sways into full rounds. Sparring under live pressure is the only way to internalize read and react timing. Make small adjustments. If sways frequently miss, reduce stick sensitivity or retrain to single tap flicks for precise frames. Once comfortable, build a rotation of feints, micro sways, and immediate counters so opponents cannot predict you. Troubleshoot by reviewing replays, locate missed frames, and adapt input timing. Do this consistently, and the sway becomes a reliable
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.